Welcome to 43013F Studios. Welcome to 43013. Today's episode is Dark Raspberry Buzzer writes 43013F Studios is a dummy bunny on the chalkboard and gets grounded. And it was inspired by Asian Phantom Don't Beyond 336 Anti-Dark Buzzer 909 Master. Please enjoy the show right now. Good morning, class. I am Mr. Joshua here. And today we will be doing some solving of math equations to check your understanding of what we have just learned yesterday. So, can anyone solve the equation 5a plus 45 equals 100? Yes, Sydney Pranati.
The answer will be 11.
Okay.
Good job, Sydney Pranati. You answered the question correctly. As a reward, I am going to give you a $2 bonus and a piece of Mentos candy as a reward for your good work. Now, a completely new math equation is shown up here on the board. Raspberry Buzzer Jr. What is the solution for the equation 2b plus 6 equals 13? 3.5. That's right, Raspberry Buzzer Jr. As a reward, I am also going to give you a $2 bonus and 5 stickers as a reward for your hard work and in getting the correct answer. Now, it's your turn, Dark Raspberry Buzzer. Solve the equation 17c plus 81 equals 217.
15.
Wrong. That is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 8. You have not been paying attention to yesterday's lesson and have not been practicing enough. That's it. Go to Master Joshua's office right now.
Oh my God. I can't believe that I got the answer wrong. That is... I am going to say that you are a dummy bunny on the chalkboard.
Oh my God. How dare you write that I am a dummy bunny on the chalkboard just because you got the answer wrong? Why would you do a thing like this? Why? That's so freaking it. You are suspended for 1,000 days. Go home right freaking now.
Dark Raspberry Buzzer, 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 Dark Raspberry Buzzer. Get over here right now. Dark Raspberry Buzzer. What is wrong with you? We can't believe you wrote 43013F Studios is a dummy bunny in school and got suspended for 1,000 days.
That's it. You are grounded for 10 octillion years. Go upstairs to your room right now, or else we will send you to North Korea.
Wow.